guys think that, sometimes in the right light, Miss Fowl looks kinda...
Turn it off! Turn it off! Turn it off!
Smell a brain blast!
Oh, is that what that is? I thought it might be the cheese ball I've been carrying around since I was 3. I call him Cheesy.
So, what do you guys want to do today?
Hang out with your mom. Give me that. Hi. Oh, hey, you little fella. Hi. Do you like fish snackums? They're made from fish like you, only cut up into little bite-sized pieces and deep fried in burning oil.
Any questions?
Yes. Are you going to finish that croissant?
Knock yourself out. Let me assure you that